Hold on, little guy. I've got you. You're safe now.
Ito tani niya Miki.
Well, hello, Mittu. How was your day? Mine was pretty good. I was thinking we could hang out here for a bit. What do you think?
You know, sometimes it just feels like no one's really there. But seeing you, just listening, it brings me so much comfort. I'm really glad we have this time.
Soft croak and blink.
God, please, we need water. Don't let us die here. I found it, a spring. Water. We're safe. Ha! Ribbit! We have water. Thank you, my friend.
I may stand here, but Mittu is the one who saved us. We owe everything to him.
Thank you, my friend. We saved each other. Forever.